This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front strut replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Detach the wheel speed sensor wiring harness from the strut. Remove the brake hose to strut retaining clip and detach the hose from the bracket. Unscrew the nut and disconnect the stabilizer bar link from the strut. Remove the strut to knuckle nuts and knock the bolts out with a hammer and punch. Separate the strut from the steering knuckle. It is a good idea to mark the locations of the strut upper mounting bolt heads to ensure correct alignment when reinstalling. Loosen and remove the 3 strut upper mounting bolts. There is an access plug on each side of the cowl cover to access the rearmost strut upper mounting bolts. A magnet will help when retrieving the bolt. When removing the upper bolts, be careful not to let the strut fall down. Remove the assembly from the fender well. Guide the new or overhauled strut assembly up into the fender well and install the upper mounting bolts. This is most easily accomplished with the help of an assistant, as the strut is quite heavy and awkward. Connect the steering knuckle to the strut and insert the bolts. Tighten the strut upper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the strut to knuckle nuts and tighten them to the specified torque setting. Connect the stabilizer bar link to the strut bracket. Attach the brake hose onto the strut bracket and secure it in place with the retaining clip. Attach the wheel speed sensor wiring harness to the strut. Tighten the stabilizer bar link nut to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front strut assembly. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels.